Hi my dear YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I would like to unbox one of the perfume, and I just say hello to everybody guys, and I hope you are having like fantastic day today, and I hope you are wearing perfume that you really like, you know, that you really like. I don't know guys if this perfume is likable or not. I really don't know. I will show you what I got. It's a Zara haul that I did recently. I got this you know, Zara type of thing, and I recently guys simply unboxed guys one of the perfume. I show you what I got. So Zara haul. So I got guys apple juice, then I got, let me see, from Zara, I'm talking about Zara guys. Then I got Red Temptation. So Red Temptation guys, I will unbox Red Temptation pretty soon, you know, I will unbox it pretty soon. And then I recently unboxed this Energetically New York. I show you how it looks like. It's a dupe to Santal 33 by Le Labo, which guys, I'm really Energetically New York, which I'm really thinking, you know, to get in the future, because I already tried it in the airport one time ago, you know, some time ago, and I felt it's pretty nice. First guys, I was determined to get that another 13 by Le Labo, but then the last trial in the airport, I realized that Santal 33 is kind of better, and this perfume guys is kind of dupe for that Santal 33. And I must tell you, so it was pretty good guys, I would say. Not like amazing, you know, not like that real version of you know, Santal 33, but I must tell you guys that when I, you know, I sprayed it, and I felt like I'm kind of it has that vibe, that type of herbal, you know, that type of dill vibe of Santal 33. Not as good, you know, kind of maybe the quality was missing, but kind of at some point, like when I sprayed yesterday, I even start to look around, you know, who maybe it's another person is wearing that perfume, maybe not me, because there were like some good type of scent coming from this one, but many people also doesn't like this perfume, you know. Maybe if you never tried Santal 33 guys, don't go with that one, because it could be something that you might not understand, you know. But as far as I kind of remember, you know, that scent, then kind of it makes me look further into these type of dupes, because the price of these ones are only like $15.95. It's still maybe far away from the real version, but there is some kind of hint of that Santal 33, and this is kind of that type of perfume that you could actually spray, you know, nearly every day if you want to. It's not too strong as well. So that's kind of positive, you know guys, kind of positive type of review. I wonder why the light is like this at the moment. So guys, and then I got this discovery set. It's from Cities collection and discovery set from Cities collection, and I will be unboxing that one as well. But today I will unbox the apple juice. And then guys, I got this tobacco Zara tobacco collection. Zara tobacco collection, which everybody has guys. I just simply don't have myself, so I haven't opened it yet. I haven't tried, but tobacco collection, there is that two versions of it. So one is intense, the other one is not intense, whatever, warm, rich, addictive. So we will try one day guys, and many people say it's amazing, you know, like, but they say also it doesn't last very long as well. And then the last thing that I got guys was Twilight mauve or whatever it is. So guys, Twilight mauve, and but today guys, I will be opening this one. I will be opening apple juice. So apple juice, you know. I kind of heard that it could be dupe to Chanel perfume, which is that in a pink type of, you know, that round shape bottle, and it's kind of pinkish liquid, and is it Chanel Eau de Tendre or something like this? My favorite Chanel perfume from those that I tried was Chanel Eau Fraiche with the green liquid, you know. So I don't know, it's very, my memories of that Chanel perfume, of that with the pink liquid in a round bottle, Chanel or Thunder, whatever, is very faded memory. So I don't know if I would be able, guys, to figure it out. Let's open this perfume. The price was $6.95, super cheap. You know why it's cheap? Because it's only 30 ml. I wonder what shape the bottle will be. I think it will be kind of not round, you know. Let's see. Let's open it. Let's open it from this side. Let's open it, guys, from this side. It's a perfume unboxing. Yeah, there will be kind of that type. It's actually a little bit rounded, so it's not like it's completely, you know, that type of they made new type of shapes. I'll show you guys. So the bottle is like this, you know, you can see that type of shape is kind of a little bit like rounded, isn't it? Which is great. I don't know, guys, if you could see, but let me show you. It's kind of rounded, you know, which is interesting. It's a little bit new, I think, to Zara perfumes to make this type of particular shape like this, you know. So basically, so then, guys, so let's see what do they say before we unbox it. I wonder, the lighting is pretty bad, guys. Let me see if I could somehow make it a little bit better, guys, for you to see. So what it says, it simply says, guys, that it's I will read it for you on the internet. So it simply says that it's fruity, fresh citrus, rose, green, floral, powdery, fresh, spicy, musky, woody. So what does it says? Fruity. So, you know, fruity would be great. That would be kind of nicely feminine and fruity. And then it's basically for women. 2012, this perfume. So 2012. So it's pretty long time ago. A long time ago. And so grapefruit, orange. Middle notes, rose, you know, violet, jasmine, and base notes is musk. And then sandalwood and cedar. I kind of don't like musky perfumes, I noticed, but let's see. So basically grapefruit and orange, so something little bit like with fruits, little bit with flowers, like something like that, you know. And kind of, it says very weak. Many people says, guys, that it's very weak, this particular perfume. And then moderate, so weak, moderate, not super great, you know, reviews. Sometimes people say it's sophisticated fresh perfume. Some people say it's interesting, doesn't smell like apple juice, but some people say like Marc Jacobs Daisy, you know, smells. Really not into Marc Jacobs perfumes, guys. Really not into completely, you know. And then some people say it's fresh. It's nice that it's fresh. And some people say, guys, that it's amazing. Let's see. I'm gonna spray it right now. Let's see, guys. Nothing. Okay. I'm glad, guys, that I got only 30 ml of this perfume. I'm very glad, because I don't want, you know, kind of to perfume would be standing there and not be used, because I already have some of the Zara perfumes that are just simply, guys, standing and not being used. So I already have enough of them. Oh my goodness, guys. So when somebody said it kind of reminds them of those Marc Jacobs perfume. So that's what it is. I wonder which one Marc Jacobs perfume was the person. Marc Jacobs. That Marc Jacobs Daisy, you know. Marc Jacobs Daisy. And I'm not very I'm not very into these perfumes, guys. Marc Jacobs perfumes, there's no way like you could make me interested in that. I don't think, guys, it will be my liked perfume, like, but I think I think, guys, it's just me, you know. But let me think about the bright side of this particular perfume. Some people say they get a lot of compliments as well. So there is fruitiness, there is freshness, you know, there is freshness. Orange, you can feel orange. Orange and musk. I'm not sure about cedar. Some kind of combination, guys, of those perfume. But let me see, like would that be possible, you know, to feel nice in this? I will try to be positive, you know, guys. It smells clean, fresh, a little bit fruity and a little bit flowery, but not too much. None of those things are too much in the face, apart from that type of freshness, like Marc Jacobs, you know, the daisy perfume. It's such a good description, guys, daisy perfume. So kind of I think it's a good perfume for spring, not overpowering, you know. I wonder, would that be good to layer with something else, this particular perfume? You know, would that be good to layer with something else? I wonder. I don't know, guys. We'll need to discover. This perfume is not bad. It's not like apple juice, you know. It doesn't smell anything like apples, so it's true. That's completely true, guys. It's not like apples for sure. It's just simply like daisy from Marc Jacobs. So if you're into those perfumes, you might be, guys, very, very, you know, happy. It's for women, this perfume. I'm so glad I bought only 30 ml, you know, so like, because I just simply wanted to try and see how it goes, guys. The same like Zara Red Temptations. Now I found it for 30, you know, 30 ml. It's due for Baccarat Rouge. I will just try it and that's it. So this perfume, some kind of freshness, and kind of now. They say it's weak, so it's good that it's weak. I guess it will not overpower you too much, you know. Fresh. You know what, guys? It's really similar, as I said before, to that Marc Jacob Daisy, and maybe even better in some way. I wonder, would that be better? Marc Jacob Daisy, it never stayed long on my skin, Marc Jacob Daisy, and this one kind of would be a good dupe for that. It's kind of disappearing already, like cannot feel anything. If you want, let's say, if you're wearing some kind of dress, you know, and it's springtime or summertime, and you just want to spray some kind of like a feminine perfume, that's what it is. Already, guys, cannot feel anything. Cannot feel anything at the moment. But it's great, guys. At least I try. I wonder this Twilight Mauve, how would this one be like? I wonder how would that one feel. It's very interesting to know, isn't it? And it gives me a sense might be pretty similar there. Like, so that's it. Not overpowering, simple, similar to that Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Nothing similar to apple juice, but kind of citrusy type of with orange, you know, flowery. Don't think it reminds me of Chanel or Thunder as far as I remember. I don't think so, guys, but definitely to Marc Jacobs. So that would be the ending story of this particular perfume. I will guys come back to you soon, and bye bye, guys. Have a nice day. See you soon.